What's up, folks? I'm Lil Guillotine, and today we're going to be talking about the GameStop situation.
Guillotine and your neck meets beautifully.
The chopping block. Redditors organized a massive rally on GameStop stock. One result is that billionaire hedge funds have potentially lost billions of dollars because they were betting on GameStop's stock price falling. Many liberals, progressives, and left-wingers are hailing the move as a grassroots organized expropriation of wealth from the billionaires to the working classes. They couldn't be more wrong. The stock market is an instrument of wealth accumulation. Corporations use it as a source of financing for their capitalist ventures. Putting money into it is inherently uplifting capitalism as a whole. Certain relatively privileged strata of American working class people have the opportunity to invest in the stock market via 401ks as a way to save for retirement. Capitalists benefit from this situation. It forces the worker to be subject to the volatile fluctuations of the stock market, risking losing a significant portion of their nest egg should the market collapse, as they consistently do. The fair thing for workers, who create all wealth in a capitalist economy, would be to grant them a pension or a government-funded retirement income instead of making them rely on the stock market for retirement. The Reddit WallStreetBets day traders are putting working people's wealth at risk. The way that their day trading does this are multiple. Only the privileged can afford to day trade. It takes a significant initial investment to day trade in a capacity to earn an income. In addition to initial capital, one needs to have reserves to pay for food, shelter, and medical as you wait for wages to roll in from trades. This means only the most privileged individuals in society are able to day trade, an intentional feature of the system's design. How many GameStop employees can afford to trade stocks? To suggest that the Reddit day traders are needy working class people is disingenuous at best. At worst, it's deliberate falsification of facts to paint the image that the stock market is an equitably accessible vehicle for personal wealth growth. But what if it really was poor folks making money? Let's explore this. If the Reddit WallStreetBets traders were working poor folks, then wouldn't their profit off the backs of billionaires be akin to a working class financial rebellion of sorts? Not even slightly. Day trading is gambling, not investing. Most day traders will fall prey to the billionaire stock trading firms who employ the latest AI, computer programs, economic theory, and high-performance hardware. Many traders will lose big time from this. The more poor working people that get involved, the more will lose money as savvy traders start to sell their shares to realize profit and the stock price drops dramatically. Especially the folks who were tantalized by promises of wealth at the expense of billionaires or some sort of class rebellion by the media and left-wing social media accounts and bought in late. They stand to lose the most if they end up buying while the price is artificially inflated. They risk selling too late after traders dump the stock quickly to realize profit, creating a volatile, quickly moving drop in the price. Even if working class day traders could somehow take all the wealth from billionaires and redistribute it via the stock market and avoid a disastrous stock price drop, they would still be financing capitalists' ability to exploit them, not working to dismantle capitalism, which is ultimately the source of their exploitation. If that were possible, they would be making millionaire investors in GameStop very rich, as well as CEOs and other stock owners who also own GameStop shares. Colluding to pump and then dump a stock for profit is nothing new. Many people buy a stock and its price rises, then they quickly sell before others to make a large profit. It almost always results in catastrophic stock price drops after traders who bought the stock simply to sell the same day exit en masse very quickly. The result is a price that ultimately returns to approximately its valuation if investors in the stock market are confident the market is stable. If there is no confidence due to uncertainty, then the stock price may plummet, possibly causing GameStop and stockholders to go bankrupt, and causing employees to lose their jobs, hardly a working-class rebellion. The volatility caused by day trading Wall Street bet Redditors has already made a ripple through the markets, causing the largest dip in the S&P 500 in months. We have seen time and again that working people suffer when the market crashes. The corporations and banks get bailed out while working people have their retirement funds wiped out and sweeping austerity measures targeting them. Causing so much possible financial suffering is hardly a revolution. The stock market is not a mechanism for revolutionary change, and it never will be. It's also not prudent to gamble. Anything you have to literally buy into is not mass action and can never be revolutionary. It is very surprising to see left-wing people paint the situation as a rebellion. They prop up capitalism as a solution. This is at best a transfer of wealth from billionaires to millionaires, not some expropriation of wealth from the billionaires to the working classes. The capitalist propaganda machine is undoubtedly thrilled to see lefties and progressives signal boosting their lies about the stock market being an inequitably accessible driver of personal wealth for everyone in society. Supporting and uplifting the system that oppresses workers can never be revolutionary or transformative. GameStop is the same plot, not a rebellion. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Peace out, y'all.